Going up staircases for losers. Get out. Go up staircases, don't talk to me. Don't add me. So, here's a staircase. Standard staircase. Just gotta walk up, spiral round, you know. Go out, see the lines. Not very fun, is it? Well, you can see that this might not just be a staircase. By the redstone, which you weren't supposed to see yet, but oh well. I mean, I could crop, but I've said the lines now. So we can go back down. We could just drop down the middle, you know, I guess. But that's effort. So what if instead we could just skadoosh? That's right, peasants. You can go up this staircase without going up this staircase. And then we can go back down. Lazy staircase, baby! But how do you build it? Oh, it's going to be a tutorial. I hate these, they're so hard to make. So, the basic premise, we've just got red and green. You could honestly probably make this smaller, but this is what we've got for now. It's just a bunch of double piston extenders. I don't know what you're expecting. It's not any complicated redstone. Every floor you go up, you're going to need 2 slime balls. Like 2 stinky pistons, 2 slime balls for each piston, you know. 1 for each piston. And you're going to have to do that twice for each level because there's a go up and a go down. So you're going to need 4 slime balls per level, except you don't need some for the starting levels like in the design I've got here. We start like 3 levels up, so you'd need that -2, but then we've also got one that pushes us off here, so I guess you start one up, it's like 2, then +4, +4, +4, +4, and then there's 2 at the end, so I don't know. It's an amount. I'm not bothering to work out the maths, just like, just work out how many pistons you need after you see the tutorial. Don't know what to tell you. So, this block is going to be the middle of our staircase, and we'll just do it a few blocks up, I guess. We'll just put fences in the middle. So we've gone 10 blocks up. Now this design is assuming you have a slab staircase, so we're going to use slabs. And you just go up like this. So don't put any blocks underneath because you'll need to be pushed there. So we're just going to go up like so. Now you could miss out the bottom slab, so just have it like this, but you know, aesthetics, I don't know. So each floor you're going up 1 block, so as you can see, block. I've gone up a block by the time I've gone to here, so that's how many blocks you go up each time, so you can work out, you can make it line up based on how many blocks you're going, so that you come out the same side, I guess. So we're just going to put glass around the piston so you can see what you're doing. So our first bit of glass is going to be, well, I guess we could do it from the start, couldn't we? So you need them 2 blocks off the ground. And this is in, not there, it's in the wall. So your pistons are going to push a block that's 2 blocks off the ground. I'm using glass here, but you'd use a solid block to make it blend in with the wall. But again, I'll just use glass. So we just place those all the way round for the way up. And just remember, this is on the side you're getting pushed from. So get pushed up here by this glass, get pushed up here by this glass. Then this glass will push me up here. etc. Okay, so behind each block that we're getting pushed by, we're going to use 2 sticky pistons facing into it. So again, this is to push us up the stairs in this direction. So this is what our pistons look like when we're done, just sort of swinging out in each direction like a shuriken. Okay, so for the redstone, we do this kind of glove going around, like this. Except these 2 blocks here are slabs at the end, and there's redstone going around like this. Sorry, this redstone is a 2-tick repeater, and then we have a 2-tick repeater aiming at this piston, and a 4-tick repeater there. Don't put a block here, because then it'll infinitely power itself, so leave these blank. And yeah, just make sure these 2 are slabs, because there are some pistons later on that will be like in this position. Not for the last bit really, but they will be to push us down, so they could get weirdly activated by this redstone if it's a full block, so that's why we have to use the slab, just weird Java edition Minecraft mechanics. So to connect it up to the next one, we do a block going across, then up, and we do redstone, redstone, and then we just have blocks going out into the next glove. So the glove shape is kind of like this, with 2 slabs at the end. And then we just connect that up with a block with 2-tick repeater. So again, the layout for this is 2-tick repeater there, 2-tick repeater facing this piston, 4-tick repeater facing this piston, and then redstone on the rest. And don't put a block here because infinite circuit. So block and block going up, then glove shape, slabs, that's not a slab. So 2-tick repeater there, 2 ticks, 4 ticks, and then another 2-tick here, and again the rest are redstone. Okay, so we just repeat that the whole way up. And the last one is done. If we now go to the bottom and activate this, so I'll just put a sort of temporary button down, I guess, and we'll just connect up the redstone just to make sure everything is working. And yeah, so you just stand on whichever block you're going to be pushed by, and kind of best to put a block down to the side so that you know you're standing in the right place, because if you're standing kind of too far across, you'll just get pushed into this block and squashed. So let's go. So yeah, as you can see, it worked. We went to the top as long as you got these timings right. So again, it's just 2, 2, 2, and 4 on the last one, and then up to the next one. So for the way down, we put another glass sort of diagonally downwards from the first one. So again, this doesn't have to be glass, it can be a block. I'm just using glass so you can see where the pistons are. So we'll do one here as well. So just diagonally down from the glass that pushes you up, you just place a glass that will push you, or a block that will push you down the staircase. So that's the direction it's aiming, just down from this one. And we do the same thing of 2 pistons behind it, like so. And then we go down to the next one, so 2 pistons behind it. So I have just realized placing these pistons, see this this block next to the piston here, that's going to have to be a slab as well to not activate this piston, or you can put the block 1 block higher. So basically the blocks connecting to the next layer up, they need to be changed to a slab. Okay, so now we're going to do the bit that everyone who's red-green colorblind are going to love, which is the down circuit using this green concrete here. So on the side that's away from the staircase, so if you look, we've got this corner. If you're facing the block that will push you, we're going to be building on the left side of that. So if you're looking at the block that's going to push you with these pistons on the left side, we're going to place these blocks. So there's going to be a block and a slab to allow this redstone to go up. And we just place 6 blocks like this. And again, this is just to stop that redstone. Actually, we don't need to, because this will just be a repeater. And then another repeater on 4 ticks, and then redstone going around like this. So it's the same thing we did on the other ones, it's just going downwards instead of upwards, basically. So we just copy this all the way around, and again slab here so that redstone can go up. So repeater 2 ticks, repeater 4 ticks, and then redstone dust on the rest, and we just copy that. So to connect up each of the layers, we just do blocks going around like this. Now, I found from testing you need 4-tick repeater and a 2-tick repeater to get enough delay. And then we can just do redstone going around like that. And again, you just do blocks going out, 2 blocks, then going round onto the next one, which will be the routine of a slab with blocks around like this, 2 ticks, 4 ticks, redstone going round, and then block and redstone going over all of that with repeater on 4 ticks, repeater on 2 ticks, and we just copy that the entire way down. Okay, so I've placed all my down circuit, which is green, except for this one I missed. Whoops. Okay, so now we've got all of it. So we'll just again connect this with some button near the top. So a good place that looks like be to place it is here. Oh no, there's another one here. Okay. I completely missed out this one. So, you know, we're 2 for 2. There's one at the top I missed and one at the bottom I missed. Going fantastic. So we'll just do our redstone layout and then a last, hopefully, set of repeaters on 6 sticks there. So 4 plus 2 and redstone going down to the next one. Okie dokie. Right, so we just need a button going around to here essentially. So we'll just do block here that's going to have the button on it. And then a repeater because we don't want it activating this piston yet. Going down onto redstone. Okay, cool. So if we stand in... That's not what I wanted. I wanted that button. God damn it. So there we go. If we stand here and press that button, we should get pushed down. Like so. So again, our lazy staircase, we've just gone down. And then if we want to go back up, and yeah, that kind of destroyed our button. So maybe work on the button placement. Apart from that, it's working completely fine. And I hope you enjoyed this lazy staircase tutorial. So I'll show you what it looks like with all the blocks filled in. And I put the repeaters the wrong way around on this one. It's supposed to be 4 there and 2 there. Whoops.